In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to CoinGecko app. By the end, you'll be confidently logged in using your Google account, whether you're on mobile or desktop. First, open your browser or the CoinGecko app and head to coingecko.com. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site by checking the URL and looking for the secure lock icon in the address bar. This helps ensure you're signing in safely and not on an imitation site. The layout is similar across devices, so these steps will feel familiar no matter where you are. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the upper right corner. On mobile or in the app's web view, it may be in a menu, often represented by a profile icon or 3 lines. Tap or click Login to proceed. If you see both Login and Sign Up, choose Login. You can still create or connect your account through Google from there. On the login screen, select Continue with Google. This is a quick, secure method that uses Google's authentication. CoinGecko never sees your Google password. It simply receives permission from Google to identify your account. If the button doesn't appear immediately, scroll a bit to find it and give the page a moment to load. You'll now see Google's account chooser. Click or tap the email address you want to use with CoinGecko. Picking the right account here determines which Google profile your CoinGecko data will be tied to, including any watch lists or preferences you save while signed in. After you select your email address, Google will handle the authentication and send you back to CoinGecko automatically. When you're redirected, you should be signed in. Look for a profile icon, your initials, or a user menu in the top corner as a quick confirmation. From here, you can access features that require an account, like saving coins to your watch list and syncing preferences across devices. If the Google window doesn't open or seems blocked, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for coingecko.com, then try again. A quick refresh can also help if the login page stalls. And if you're on a public or shared device, remember to sign out when you're done for added security. That's it. Go to CoinGecko, choose Login, pick Continue with Google, and select your email address. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll be signed in within seconds. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tracking the market with your newly signed in CoinGecko experience.